Good morning, everybody. I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe today. And today I'm working on week 40 of Margarete Miller's challenge. It wasn't as difficult this time. So we have to have something that has a plug, and I just kind of really liked this picture of a toaster, and you can't really see the plug on it, but we all know that this toaster has a plug. Piece of pattern paper. Something that represents me in a photograph is this native plant. I have been trying very hard to plant lots of native plants in my yard. This is a flowering raspberry bush, and it's host to a bunch of different caterpillars. But anyway, I feel like this represents me kind of. And then we need a text in a foreign language, which is this Arabic here. And a stencil is the bonus, and I thought I would just kind of stencil a little flower right here in the corner, and I'm going to do that before I do anything else. And I was thinking about doing it in brown, but now I'm wondering if maybe I'm going to do it in purple. So I have got these two purples. I think they're pretty similar. This one is called Violet, and this one is called Jelly. I guess I'll just try this one because it says it's acid-free archival. So let's try that one. I haven't used purple in a long time. I don't even know if it's still gonna do anything. Oh yeah, okay, that's good. Well, let's stencil a little flower here. Close to the edge as possible. I don't want to get any of the other stencils in this. I guess it is a little dry actually, but it's working. There, that's not too bad. So we got the stencil part done. Now I'm going to glue this down into the book. And we'll do that with a little Fabri-Tac, I think. I think I am going to ink around the Arabic writing in brown, though. We'll do this. And what have you guys been doing lately? Looks good. Looks good. A little bit longer than I thought. Let's give it a roll. So, there. Now I've got this. I think that's going to go next. And then I want to ink around this. I think I'm going to use my photo corners for the photo. Whoops. And yeah, I'm going to ink around this in brown, definitely. Okay. And I think a lot of my inks are starting to dry out. I'm going to have to get some new ones. This is really dry. You can barely tell that I even did it. Whoops. Sorry, guys. So there's my Arabic writing. And I do believe this coffee ink is definitely wearing out, or drying up, I should say. Oh. Whoa. My tripod just fell off. So my tripod fell off, and now I've got this weird position I'm in. So anyway, as I was saying, I've got my Arabic writing. I'm going to put my photo corners on. And actually, I think I should put this down first. Let's get a gluing paper. So now I'm filming sideways because I couldn't get it back on the right way. I hope this doesn't look too weird. Now I gotta figure this out. Might need to get a new tripod. So, now I gotta get this out of the way because the strings are in my way. So this is gonna go like this, as high up as it can go and as over to the left as possible. There. Let's roll that out. Okay, and I think my photo is going to come next, and then I'll figure out where to put the writing. So I have everything, even the bonus, which is unusual for me. I usually have at least one missing. Okay, well that looks cute, kind of cute. Hopefully that wasn't too much off camera. So I think I'll just kind of maybe put, where should I put this? Like here? And then my writing, maybe I'll put that up. I don't know. Where should I put that? Let's figure it out. So, should I put it like here? Here? Or here? I guess I'm going to put it right here. Her hand isn't the most important thing. And I'm doing this sideways, so I'm sorry if it's a pain. It's not looking too good, but anyway. We have our something that has a plug is the toaster. A piece of patterned paper is the background. Something that represents me is the native flower, which is also a photograph. This is my text in a foreign language, and that's my stencil. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.